Upscale video from 720p to 4K, bring black and white video back to new life with HitPaw Video Enhancer. These goals are grasped easily. Go to the hitpaw.com and find the HitPaw Video Enhancer. HitPaw Video Enhancer could help you repair the video with little resolution loss, and it offers several models to meet your need. General Denoise model, which could enhance the video as well as remove the noise of videos. Animation model could make the blurry video much clearer. And brand new, base model is very useful in restoring beauty. Colorize model plays vital role in bringing life back to old video. And video repair model could do a great favor in restoring grayscale videos. The link has been put in the description. Try it and see the difference. We need to import the video first. On the upper right corner, we could choose the AI model. Here we can select the export setting, and it supports many formats of M4, MOV, and so on. Given that the clip is about elegant ladies from Hollywood of last century, we select the face model at first. Fantastic! The image quality has become much clearer, and we can see the lady's delicate skin and deep features. To make this video more lively, we can colorize the video with AI. Launch the HitPaw Video Enhancer again, and click the Add Model. Here we could see many other models, and find the Colorize model, click the plus button, and back to the last page. Select the Colorize model and preview it. Amazing! We can even make out the lady's deep eyes. There's still a bit of an issue with the overshading of the neck, but overall it looks harmless. Export it. If you find this video useful, don't forget give us a like.